Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a flash flood warning for southern Hunterdon County, Mercer County, southern Bucks County until 12:15 p.m. At 8:15 a.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated very heavy rain moving into the area from the southwest. Rainfall amounts of 2 to 4 inches are possible in a short amount of time. Locations in the warning include but are not limited to Trenton, Princeton, Doylestown, Newtown, and Lambertville. A flash flood warning means that flooding is imminent or occurring. If you are in the warning area, move to higher ground immediately. Residents living along streams and creeks should take immediate precautions to protect life and property. Never attempt to cross swiftly flowing waters or waters of unknown depth by foot or in an automobile. Turn around, don't drown.
Westchester Pike, that's 3 and Harvard County, Delaware County.